So now in this video, we're switching a 5 volt 1 watt LED module there. So it needs 200 milliamps of current approximately, which would push the limits of the 2N3904. So I'm using a 2N2222 or better. And so that's how we're switching it. The 555 timer is controlling the timing. It also should not power it directly. It's pushing the limits of its output. So 1500 ohm resistor coming to the output. And we trigger it with the push button here. Going to pin 2, the trigger pin, connection to ground, a 10K pull-up resistor preventing false triggering. Now when it comes to the timing for how long the output is high, it's charging through a 47K resistor. The 100 microfarad capacitor is right there. As soon as it gets to 2/3 supply voltage, as seen by pin 6, then it instantly discharges, and the output goes low as well. The bright LED turns off. So now, here's the schematic diagram for lighting the 5 volt 1 watt LED module. So about 200 milliamps of current is going to flow through it when it's on. And NPN bipolar junction transistor switch here, I'm using the 2N2222 because it can switch up to 600 milliamps of current. 2N3904 can only switch about 200 milliamps of current, which is how much this module is going to do. So that's pushing it to its limits. You don't really want to do that. We got a 1.5K resistor limiting the base to emitter current from the 555, which also has a limit of 200 milliamps of current. You don't want to push everything to its max current. That's why we're switching it with the transistor, but using the 555 to control the transistor. So, got a high input, keeps the trigger pin from doing anything. Press the button, low input to 2. That sets the output high. LED module turns on. Capacitor charges to 2/3 supply voltage. When it hits that, it discharges, the output goes low, and turns the LED off.